down. Dark wave.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog is I will unboxing this video capture. So finally it's already arrived. So here it is, the video capture card. So let's gonna open this up and then just gonna check the items. So here it goes, HDMI. So video capture. So how to open this up? So okay, there it goes. There's just some okay, there's the above. So the only product is the capture card. So there it is, the video capture. So this is just the only one. So this is the output which you gotta connect it into your laptop or your desktop. So the input is this HDMI over here, and also we have some user manual on how to use it. So I already know how to use it, is because I watched some video tutorials how to use a video capture for your Nintendo's video capture for the Nintendo Switch. Okay, there you have it. So okay, and how to use it. So here it goes. So here, and also this one right here. Okay, there's an instruction. So is this the Chinese one? Chinese or Korean? So it's a Chinese. Okay, there is the English instruction over here. So okay, this is the video capture. So so this is just on the unboxing. This is just only the unboxing, and I'm gonna make a review of this. Okay, so that's it for this video, and I hope you like it. So please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so that you will notify all of my upcoming future videos here in my channel. Okay, so peace everyone.